good morning, dear children. Open your EVS textbooks. Today we have to start a new lesson. Lesson number 6, varieties of food. Page number 53. Okay. In our previous classes, I have taught to you different types of lessons. Means so many lessons we have completed in last classes from our last previous classes. So last lecture we have seen about a precious water. Uses of water. Water is very necessary to us, all of us. So today we have to start a varieties of food. You are eating a food. Food is also very necessary to our body. So different types of food we are eating. Children, you are eating only daily one vegetable, daily one fruit. No, you are eating a different types, different varieties of food. So today we have to learn about that all. Okay. So let's start a lesson. Are you open, children? Page number 53, lesson number 6, varieties of food. Keep attention to the class. You know that food is very essential for us. You get food every day. Tell what happens if you do not eat food. What will do if you not eat food? You not take a meal daily. You will die. You can't live without food and water, children. So look at the food, grain and vegetables given below. Say where they got from. Means they are given some different food items. So which food item and from where they got us. You have to identify this. In a first picture, see these pictures and they are given names also. So you try to understand from which we get that food. First one is rice. Which food is this? This is a rice. We get rice from grocer shop. In a grocery shop, we get a rice easily. Rice. Second one is wheat, maize, jawar, dal, green gram. All these items we get in a grocery shop. Okay, we get all these in a grocery shop easily. Some pulses, different types of dal, pulses, grains, such type of green gram, all these we get in grocery shop. Turn on next to page 54. Ragi. You know ragi? Yes, it is very cold, so you have to eat ragi in a summer days. Millet, beet. So all these we get, up to this we get in a grocery shop, children. Next one, this is a beetroot. These are the started to a vegetables here mixed. Beetroot, banana, bengal gram, cabbage, cucumber, brinjal, potato. While I am reading, you should have to also read behind me, children. They are given here spellings. They are given here names of that items, food items. So say these words loudly while I am teaching, while I am telling. You also have to read behind me. So banana, bengal gram, cabbage, cucumber, brinjal, potato, snake ground, lady's finger, pumpkin, bitter ground, radish and greens. All these are the food items. From which we get that? We have to know. Rice, wheat, maize, jawar, dal, green gram, ragi, millet, bengal gram. All these we get from a grocery shop, grocers. Next one. In a green grocers means vegetables. Which vegetables are there? Cabbage, cucumber, brinjal, potato, snake ground, lady's finger. All these are the vegetables we get in a green grocers. Next one, here some fruits are also they are given. The banana, such type of different fruits where we get all the fruits from a fruit seller. Okay. So try to know this all where they get from. Turn the next page. Here some fruits also they are given again. Tomato, mango and apple. So fruits we get from a fruit seller. All the green vegetables we get from a green grocers. And different rice, pulses, beets, all these we get in a grocery shop easily. So next page, page number 55. Look at this picture, say from where we get these items. So these items are eggs, meat, fish and milk. So all these are a non-vegetarian atom. All these we get from a animal. I am written here on a blackboard. See carefully. Here are some names I am written. Food we get from plant. Which food we get from a plant? Which food we get from plants? Some vegetables and fruits. All these are a we get from a plants only. So these called a vegetarian atom. This called a vegetarian food. Next one, food we get from animals. Which food we get from animals? For examples, we get a milk, egg, milk, meat, curd, all chicken, all these are the non-vegetarian atom, and all these we get from a animals. Try to understand the differences between vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Means the plant product and animal product, which we get the food from these two. Plants means all vegetables and fruits we get. Next one, animals, food we get from animals means eggs, mixed and milk, such type of food. Fish also there. Next, vegetables that can be eaten raw. Which are the raw vegetables we can eat, children? You know the different names. I have written here some examples again here. Raw vegetables means you can eat it easily by your teeth. Salad. Whether your mother is making different types of salads in a home, she is using only raw vegetables in that salad. So which are they? Carrot, radish, tomato, cucumber, cabbage. All these are the raw vegetables. Are you getting, children? Raw means what? Which we can eat easily by chewing only raw. This is called a raw vegetarian. Raw food, vegetables that can be eaten raw means carrot, radish, tomato, such type of vegetables. Next one, vegetables first cook and then eat. Some vegetables are, you have to cook that vegetables and then eat. Which are the vegetables? Lady's finger, brinjal, potato, drumstick, pumpkin. All these vegetables we have to cook first and then eat these vegetables. So are you getting the differences between the plant product and animals product? Animals means these are the non-vegetarian product. Examples, keep it in mind, children. And plants product means vegetarian product. So on page 56, they are again given here some different product. Some pictures of food items are given below. Put a dot in green color for the food we get from plant. Put dot in red color that from food we get from animals. So now you have to know the differences between plant product and animal product. Means which product is made from a plant and which one is from animal. Take pencil and make it right mark for a plant product and make cross mark to the animal product. Rice we get from plant. Next one, they are given here fish. Fish is a animal product. It is a non-vegetarian item. Brinjal is we get from plant. Peas, green peas we get from plants. Milk we get from animals. Black pepper, lady's finger, these we get from plants again. Meat we get from animal product. Chilies, chilies is from plant. Curd is animal product. Cucumber we get from plants. Here green vegetables are there, so we get from plants again. Tea also we get from plant. Maize is from plant product, and last one ragi is also we get from a plant. Next on page 57, write the food item you use at home in the following groups. Food material from plant and some food material from animals. And I have already written on blackboard. Food we get from plants means you have to write here vegetables and fruits. In the next column, what they are given, food material obtained from animals. In that column you have to write these names: eggs, milk, meat, fish, chicken, all this.